In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Viagogo app on Android. First, let's get started by opening the Google Play Store. You can find the Google Play Store icon on your device's home screen or in the app drawer. It looks like a colorful triangle. Once you tap that icon, the store will load, showing you the latest apps and games available. This is your gateway to downloading the Viagogo app. If you are not logged in, you may be prompted to enter your Google account information. This is essential because it allows you to download apps and manage your purchases securely. Next, tap the search bar at the bottom of the screen. This is where you will enter the name of the app you want to find. Type Viagogo into the search field. As you type, you might see suggestions appear which can help you quickly locate the app. This step is important because it ensures you're searching for the correct application, minimizing any confusion later on. After typing, make sure to double-check the spelling to ensure the best results. Once that is done, select the official Viagogo ticket marketplace app published by Viagogo. It's important to choose the correct app to avoid downloading a fake or unofficial version. The official app will display the Viagogo logo and will show the publisher's name, which is also Viagogo. By selecting the right app, you ensure you have access to all the features and updates directly from the developers. This little step saves you a lot of time later, ensuring you have a seamless experience when using the app. Now tap the Install button. This action will initiate the download and installation process on your device. A progress bar will appear, showing you how far along the installation is. Depending on your internet speed, this may take a few moments. Once the installation is complete, you will see an Open button appear. This makes sure your changes are saved and allows you to start using the app right away. After that, you can tap the Open button to launch the Viagogo app. The app will load and you will be greeted with its welcome screen. At this point, you may need to sign in or create an account if you haven't done so already. This step is crucial to access all the features of the app, like buying tickets or browsing events. Having an account also keeps your information secure and personalized, enhancing your overall experience. With that ready, you can begin exploring the app. Browse through various events, tickets, and more. The Viagogo app provides an easy-to-use interface that allows you to find tickets to concerts, sports, and other live events quickly. This accessibility is one of the key reasons why many users prefer using the app instead of the website. Enjoy the convenience of having all your ticketing needs at your fingertips. In conclusion, downloading the Viagogo app on your Android device is a straightforward process. You've opened the Google Play Store, searched for the app, selected the official version, and installed it. Now you can enjoy a variety of events right from your phone. Thank you for following along, and happy ticket hunting!